Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the control knob screw on your oven. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the screw is damaged or missing. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Now keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So on our control console, we've got a bunch of different knobs here, and you'll see that this one is actually pretty loose. So if you pull it off, it reveals behind it that it's actually supposed to be held on by 2 screws. However, for some reason we're missing one, so there's just one screw holding it in, which is causing it to be a little bit loose. So grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to put that in place and tighten that up. And as you can see, it brought this whole thing out a little bit. We'll tighten this one up too. There we go. And we'll put our knob back on. Just push it straight in. And you'll see now that it's not loose, just like the other one. So I just decided to sell my vacuum cleaner. It was just collecting dust. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.